What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing y'all my Roush catback exhaust system and my Roush cold air intake. Yeah. Rev it a little bit. Roush intake sound. To pull onto a road where I can do a little 60, get up to 60. Oh yeah, she sounds nice. I gotta go into town, so I'm gonna do a little just driving it with the Roush exhaust and intake, and here we go. See, when it hits overdrive, it quiets down pretty good, so it's not too loud. So I'm almost home after being in town, but I just want to say one more thing about videos. They don't do this exhaust justice or the intake justice, because when I was looking at getting the Roush exhaust kit. I was watching videos, and you can see the aluminum style body F150s. You can find videos about that. I don't think that they sound as different. They might sound a little different because they changed. I don't know if they changed the Coyote a little bit, but anyway. But these 2011 through 14s, when they had the 5.0, I found a few good videos about these exhaust systems on here, but a lot, you through your phone or through headphones, you can't, or your speakers, you can't like exactly hear how it sounds. And I will tell you that me being one of those people that did not know, that was kind of like, the video sounds okay, but this kit in person blew me away. So I will say that, and that's why I ended up getting the kit. So that's my Roush catback exhaust system and my Roush intake, and I will say the intake makes the hum in the cab, kind of up in the front where the motor's at, more in your ears. I mean, you'll feel a hum in your ears, especially when you're getting on it to get on the highway or something. But I love the sounds, and especially the sounds they make together. So I highly recommend the Roush air intake and the Roush catback exhaust. If if not the Roush intake, at least the K&N air intake. I would stay away from Spectra completely. I've had so much nightmares with Spectra and trying to put them together. Like I said, the Roush intake took me 15 minutes to put on the truck, and the exhaust took me and a buddy only about 45 minutes to put on the truck. The hardest part was taking the old exhaust off. I wanted to keep it all together, and I didn't have a lift, so we put we were on the ground, so I had to get the exhaust over the back axle. But it might take you only an hour if you just want to cut your old exhaust up. Just unbolt it and cut it up and just get it out of there and put your new system on, and it'll make the 5-liter really pronounce itself. And that's what I really love about this Roush exhaust. So that's going to end the video, and I appreciate y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.